What up guys, my name is Son from the Eternal Warriors and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Now this one I've been requesting for a long time, and this one is requesting how do I make my thumbnails. Now, so guys, as you guys can see here, this is my channel and these are my, what do you call, these are all my videos with my thumbnails. You guys have been requesting how do you make these thumbnails. Now it's pretty easy. I won't say my thumbnails are great. I'm just saying that I have learned how to make these thumbnails in a few one day. So it's really easy. What you have to do is, like, first of all, you can go in any browser, search canva.com. Now many other people have already made videos about this, but I'm making it as like I'm making it for you guys, so if you guys don't know about them, you guys can also see my content. Now I've already logged in, but if you have not logged in, then you can just go and you can log in. Now there will be a thing like here, I don't know, I can change, but if you have already logged in, just write create design. If it's not, then there will be a box like create your first design, and there will be a search box. Now what you have to search is YouTube thumbnail. Now once it's loading in, you have to click this, the 120 by 870, and this untitled design will come. And now you can create your own. Now these are many different, like if you want to do this, there are many different templates you can use. They're really, I mean, the dressing, well, these are tutorials, travel. Now I make this as tutorial video, so I want to make a video for my, I want to make a video for my the one that I just recorded, my Minecraft Let's Play Part 2. So what I'll have to do, I'll search Minecraft. I'll go to images, and you can see here. Now I'll use this, and you can, the thing about Canva is you can just copy image. You can go here, you can do, first you have to click a black background. Like I use this background for all my videos. When it's loading in, yeah, I use this background for all my videos. Now there's thousands and thousands of free backgrounds. Now this is free, now this is free, now everything is free here. These are all my, these all are free. Now I use this for all my videos because I like this a lot. It fills my, like, color themes. And I'll just have to control V. You can't paste, you have to control V, and here it is. I'll drag it here. Now I want to add, I want to upload. Now you can upload media. Now these are, I have all uploaded for copy lock. These are all for my animated mouse cursor. This is for story session. And because I also, now I want to do a screenshot, so I'll upload from my device. Now I'll go to my screenshots folder. Where is it? Screenshots. Screenshots folder. I'll go here. I'll go down, and no, this is not it. So if you guys want to do it, like, you can do Google Drive, whatever. Uh, what I'll do here is I'll go to photos, that you can search also, and you can search, you can add text. Now I want to go here, I want to add Minecraft, mm, Minecraft, Minecraft, let's play the grind. Minecraft, let's play episode 2. Don't forget to check that out after you've done this. I'll place it right here. I can do this. So what I'll do is, this doesn't fit, so I'll place it down here, actually right here. And I'll just add another different types of, like, you can do different combinations which are all free, which are really nice, like this. I'll search Minecraft. I don't know if it will come or something. Any text for Minecraft. I'll do pixel, maybe pixel. Yeah, that's cool. I'll grab that. Is it free or not? It's not free. This is free. Yeah, and then you can click this, you can click here, you can do the grind, and I can just do this, the grind, and boom, like this, and there it is, the grind. And then I can remove this. Now I'll just copy and this, and I'll put it right here, the grind, and I'll do this, and I'll do this, and I'll name it the grind, and iron armor and tools. That's pretty big, so I'll do it like this, and I'll do like this. Once I've done this, I can do this. Now I want to add like strip mining picture, so I can like the grind iron, so I'll just put it here. I'll search here, I'll search strip mining, uh, some cool strip mining picture like this. Yes, this is nice. uh, uh, like this right here, uh, like this, like here. I'll do this. I'll also do iron. I'll do iron, and I'll search this like this. This is a pretty cool picture. I'll do this, and here it is. I'll do this. No, I want something that's transparent, so I'll do this, and I'll find this, copy image, boom. Why? Isn't this, no, this is not transparent. I want to find something that's transparent, so uh, iron transparent background, boom. Like this is pretty cool. What? Oh, come on. Okay, then this is fine. Then I'll also add this. This is fine. This, I'll add this too, like here, like this, and this, and this, and I'll do, I'll add this, and I'll add this, boom, like this, and this. I'll add this, and I'll also search gold. Yeah. No, this is the new image of gold, so I'll copy this, paste this. Yeah, and boom, boom, like this, and there you go here, and gold all, which is this, copy image. Now this is a pretty full intro. Right here, like I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, and this here, I can do this and this here, boom, like this. And this shows basically like what we did the whole game, like this, there, and there you go. I can do Minecraft. This is it, and then this is not that much of a great intro, like that much of a great thumbnail, but I like it. I'm not a professional. You can do whatever you learn. There's like blending, and it's completely free. No, like create film, and there you go. As you can see here, Minecraft Let's Play. Then and boom, there you go. So, and I'll open it right here. As you guys can see here, as it is loading in. Yeah, look, as you can see, it's here and it's completely free. It's a bit low quality, but you can, you if you like if you like playing with this, and you can play with this, you can do whatever you want, and you can even play the premium account if you want, if you want to have a good quality PNG and whatever. Now you can even craft like logos here. This is a great logo website too, and Canva overall is a great website for everything. Now, and this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this was useful. If you found it useful, and any means, if you like found it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because in this channel you will also find videos like this, where you can easily do custom things for your YouTube channel, or just any like custom things like my animated custard right over here, or my intro, you can even check that, my logo, everything. I've made videos about it. You know this is genuine, because I'm also starting YouTube channel. So if I find something new that helps me, I'll sure to make a video about it, so you guys can also it can also help you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Eternal Warrior out.